Sprouted beans are beans that have germinated or sprouted. This indicates that the bean has been soaked in water until a small sprout appears. Sprouted beans are a popular food item throughout the world, and they are frequently consumed as part of a healthy diet. There are many potential benefits of eating sprouted beans. Some research suggests that sprouted beans may help to improve digestion and cardiovascular health. Additionally, sprouted beans are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, there is still more research needed to confirm these potential benefits. There are also some potential risks associated with eating sprouted beans. Because they are soaked in water, sprouted beans may contain harmful bacteria that can cause food poisoning. It is important to cook sprouted beans thoroughly before eating.